Hello guys, and welcome to a quick description of the course, which is to do with on-tick execution for Ninja, uh, which is for me, on-tick execution is something very unpredictable, and which brings in a lot of surprises and a lot of uncertainty. And basically this course is just my experience with how to build strategies for on-tick execution. Okay, it basically contains a lot of scenarios where things can go very south. Okay, and that is handling overfills. So basically, when you would get multiple entries, you have one entry signal, and you would get filled like 1,000 of times. Okay, because you're for some reason Ninja would not return the position, a position that has actually been opened, and you'll just get multiple market orders submitted. That's reviewed. And then another thing which is pretty cool that's reviewed in this course is high order fill resolution. And I do show two ways how to enable it. A simple way and a more advanced way where you would actually add a tick series and submit your orders in respect to that series, and you'll actually get intra-bar fills on historical execution. Also, this course reviews tick replay a lot. So basically, it reviews how to build strategies for tick replay and execute them historically on tick replay. So not like playback, but execute historical tick replay. And it reviews a lot of problems that occur there and a lot of scenarios that are very tricky, and uncovers some experience that I had with that sort of programming. It shows how to get values, like for example, of higher time frame indicators. So you would get like values for current values of like higher time frame indicators from faster time frames. So for example, you'll get to know how to get a intra-bar 15-minute value inside a 5-minute time frame. So you'd at 5:20, you would go and grab an actual 5:30 bar intra-bar, 15-minute intra-bar forming. Okay. There's also some experience on how to split intra-bar and on-bar update logic using on-market data in events. Okay, so Roland, it's quite a quick course with a lot of technical information, which will probably uncover quite a lot in terms of tick replay for you. All right, thank you very much.